Hello, everyone. What I'm going to go over now is just a brief glossing over of the functions for team commands. And I can see here, this is my subscreen. I have it set up with multiple selectable characters you can become. You instantly select, you instantly collect all of their powers they have. And this is done through a previous technique I explained through character switching that I just uploaded that video as well. And what happens here is it gives us the option to do some very unique commands with regard to multiple characters. I want it to be able to not just play as a single character at a time, but to collect as a team a whole group of people's powers and then remove them selectively. So what we do is we can switch between active team leaders anytime, any of these heroes, villains, or special guests. And then what we do is when we switch back and forth, if we at any time want to stop acting as a team, we can come down here to dismiss, and this dismiss button would then have codes attached to it, like in the method I explained for the icon setup for the message strings, giving and taking away items. This takes away all of the LTM item button properties, all of the graphic changes, all at once, and it takes away all of the current powers. This disband button is just like that, but it also takes the items that would otherwise be collected. That way you have to go through and start the whole game over again and collect all these people and collect your X-Men again. You have disbanded the team otherwise. If you just want to dismiss your current field team, you can just get rid of the visuals, get rid of the current powers, but keep these icons, and you can click on any of them at any given time in order to load that specific person's powers and add them to the current collection. So that is how I am using team commands. Um, yeah, I think there are some other good ideas out there for what could exist um, as implemented in other games. It might be a little bit difficult to in the ZQuest program because it was never intended for multiple characters or for team commands. But this is just my first attempt at implementing some team commands into basic ZQuest functionality.